to Carmichael Park for this Veto Premier League Round 10 match between Brisbane Wolves and the Capalaba Bulldogs. Ball inside for Keith Armstrong. Armstrong plays it straight back out. Searching ball up the line for Stephen Vroom. He's got it inside behind Curtis. Curtis with the tackle pen! No, referee Hobson says play on. Let's have a look. Vroom's in front. Curtis with the challenge. Oh, if there was a touch on the ball, it was light, but benefit of the doubt to the defender. Radulovic. Sherwood too strong for Thorogood. Gets his head up. Plays a great ball through for Viney, who sprung the offside trap. Nods it. Oh! Brought down by Houghton. Yes, says referee Hobson. Let's have a look. Viney just with a touch, and the merest of clips by Houghton. Lucky not to get himself sent off in that situation. Josh Sherwood with the penalty. Oh, good finish, Josh Sherwood. And that puts Capalaba in front at Brisbane Wolves 1-0. Ball played in, wide out. Plulo across. Well held by Muir. Well cut out. Ball played forward in the channel for Thorogood. Thorogood gets the ball in. Vroom! Oh, Vroom off the outside of the post. Unlucky Stephen Vroom. Ball in by Wakefield. Tussle for Beck out the back. Well done, Cresbeck. Ball chipped in. And Thorogood! Great save. Great save. Well, it's not Joby Thorogood. It's Matt Byrne. Great save there from Muir. Sherwood. Well charged down by Wolves. Shot from distance. And Houghton had that covered all the way. Second half of the Veto Premier League highlight show. Radulovic still going. Brought down. 25 out from goal. Not happy. Hobson with the card. Radulovic with the free kick. Oh, great goal. Sasha Radulovic with a free kick of class. Brisbane Wolves 1, Capalaba 1, and we'll have a look. Radulovic over the wall and gave Muir absolutely no chance. In by Milne, half cleared, good pressure. McAllister in, Greg Thomas with a chance at the post. Unlucky Greg Thomas. Stephen Vroom looks to take his man on, loses out, too many Capalaba players. Thomas gets his head up. That's a fantastic ball through for Viney. Viney's in the round, plays it across. Milne, Dylan Milne! 2-1 Capalaba. That's a fantastic goal by the Bulldogs. Oh, great stuff. Yeah, Viney gets his head up, under pressure. Dylan Milne, calm as you like, straight past Andy Houghton. Stephen Vroom over this free kick. Vroom! Off the crossbar! Oh, with Luke Muir beaten. Sherwood clips it over the top. Dylan Milne gets the ball across. Oh, John Viney! Caps off a good day, John Viney, with the third for Capalaba. And we have Dylan Milne in behind. Gets the ball across, and once again, textbook finishing from Viney. Sherwood, through ball. Greg Thomas with space. Only Houghton the beat, goes around him, gets his head up. Oh, side netting. That would have been the cherry on the top. Corner comes in. Ball comes back in again. Bounces clear. Shot from distance. Not held. Oh, on the second attempt by Luke Muir. Across the face of the midfield. Greg Thomas slips it out for Dylan Milne. Dylan Milne, great ball across. And oh, John Viney could have had a second. Put the ball well over. Scott Sargent, fast feet, and that's full time here at Carmichael Park, which sees this game finish. Capalaba Bulldogs 3, Brisbane Wolves 1.